The year is 2026, and the global workplace is unrecognizable compared to just a few years ago. The rapid evolution of artificial intelligence has moved past simple chatbots and into the realm of autonomous decision-making. We are now witnessing a massive tectonic shift in how the human race earns a living and defines its self-worth. Silence has fallen over many traditional office cubicles, while giant data centers hum with the power of 1,000 suns. This is a total digital revolution that is redrawing the map of the global economy in real time. The primary question for every worker today is no longer about a promotion, but about pure professional survival. Welcome to the front lines of the great automation, where silicon chips are competing with human brains for the future of work. To understand where we are going, we must look at the empty desks in many corporate headquarters across the United States. Entry-level positions in prestigious law firms and global accounting offices have vanished almost overnight. Sophisticated software algorithms now scan millions of legal documents and complex tax returns in a single second. Young lawyers who once spent long nights in dusty archives are being replaced by high-speed processing units and cloud-based intelligence. In the high-stakes world of finance, the stock market is now a battlefield of competing neural networks and automated trading bots. Human stockbrokers are becoming a rare sight on the trading floor as digital precision takes over the world of high finance. Wall Street has become a silent canyon of fiber optic cables and liquid-cooled server racks. But the impact is not just limited to white-collar professionals in tall glass skyscrapers. The retail industry is undergoing a total transformation as hydraulic robotic arms and automated shelves take over the warehouse floor. Massive distribution centers are now managed by central AI minds that never require a coffee break or a night of sleep. Self-driving delivery trucks are now navigating the busy interstate highways and narrow city streets of the United States. The heavy hum of a diesel engine is being joined by the quiet whir of an onboard computer system and spinning LiDAR sensors. Truck drivers who were once the iron backbone of the American supply chain are watching the road move without a steering wheel. Even the creative world is feeling the intense heat of the artificial sun. Graphic designers and digital illustrators are competing with generative engines that can create a masterpiece from a single text prompt. The bright glow of a computer monitor now shows intricate art that was never touched by a human hand or a physical paintbrush. Writers and editors are navigating a landscape where AI produces thousands of articles in the blink of an eye. However, this story is not just about loss, but about a radical new kind of human opportunity. The job market of 2026 is creating specialized roles that did not exist in the history of humanity. AI prompt engineers are the new architects of language, sitting at ergonomic desks and whispering commands to the machine. They are the essential bridge between human intent and machine execution. Maintenance crews are no longer just fixing leaky pipes, but are repairing complex humanoid robots in smart factories. The industrial landscape is filled with technicians wearing augmented reality headsets and holding sleek digital tablets. Healthcare is seeing a massive surge in demand for human empathy and emotional intelligence. While a medical scanner can detect a microscopic tumor, it cannot hold the hand of a frightened patient in a hospital bed. The nurses and doctors of 2026 are using AI as a powerful digital stethoscope to see deeper into the human body. Compassion is becoming the most valuable currency in a world dominated by cold logic and binary code. Education is also pivoting toward a personalized model where AI tutors handle the math, while human teachers focus on character. The traditional classroom with a wooden chalkboard is being replaced by immersive virtual reality labs. Students are exploring the dusty surface of Mars through high-definition goggles. The blue light of the VR headset is the new light of learning for the next generation. Economists are debating whether we are headed toward a utopia of leisure or a crisis of mass unemployment. Global governments are discussing the radical concept of universal basic income as the cost of robotic labor drops to near zero. The tax revenue from automated machines could fund the lives of the citizens they replaced. Cybersecurity experts are the new soldiers on the invisible battlefield of the internet. They are defending the power grid and the national banking system from rogue AI agents. The farmer of 2026 is more likely to be a data scientist than a manual laborer. Soft skills like leadership and critical thinking are the new protective armor in the age of automation. A computer can calculate 1 billion equations, but it cannot dream of a better world for our children. The silicon brain and the carbon heart are starting to beat in sync for the first time in history. The choice is simple: adapt to the rhythm of the new world or be left in the dust of the past. The future is calling, and it sounds like the whisper of a digital mind.